Dear students, we are in our chapter second solution for NEET and JEE. Now second lecture of the solution chapter for NEET and JEE. We are here discussing about osmotic pressure. Yes, what is osmotic pressure? Formula for osmotic pressure is pi is equal to I into C into R into T. Pi is the osmotic pressure, I is the want-off factor, R is the gas constant value 0.0821 atmosphere into liter, mole inverse into Kelvin inverse. T is temperature, it should be in Kelvin. Here I is always 1 for non-electrolytes, means compound which not experiences ionization, means dissociation or association. એટલે compound ને water માં dissolve કરો તો એનું ionization ના થાય, means કે dissolution, means કે decomposition NaCl હોય તો થાય. પણ glucose, sucrose, urea આ બધા water માં soluble છે પણ ionization ના થાય. So I will be 1. In the case of for electrolytes which ionizes into water like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, copper sulfate, K2SO4, this compound gives ion into water. NaCl water માં dissolve થાય Na plus and Cl minus આપે. Copper sulfate gives Cu plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. Potassium sulfate gives K plus and SO4 minus 2. These are electrolytes. So value is more than 1. And whenever association occurs of the solute into solvent, so I should be less than 1. We are taking example acetic acid. When we dissolves into benzene, so two molecules combines with each other. And dimerization, બે molecule combine થાય એટલે 2 mole particle હોય so after adding into benzene it became 1. So that is the association. Yes sir. So I less than 1. But remember, acetic acid when we dissolve into water, so it experiences ionization. So 1 mole gives 1 plus 1, 2 mole. This is dissociation. So in this case, I is more than 1. Acetic acid, benzoic acid, remember, બેન્ઝીન માં ડિઝોલ્વ કરો તો એસોસિએશન થાય, કમ્બાઈન થાય, પાર્ટિકલ એના કરતા લેસ થઈ જાય. પણ વોટર માં નાખીએ તો when we dissolve acetic acid into water, not benzoic acid, benzoic acid never dissolves into water. 1 mole acetic acid gives acetate NH plus, so I is here more than 1, 2. Clear? So come to the next point. Here in the formula we will change by our need. એટલે કઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝમાં લેવી છે એ મુજબ. So here C is concentration, so mole per liter, mole of the solute upon volume of the solution. Mole of of the solute upon volume of the solution. So mole is equal to W2 upon M2. So pi is equal to I W RT upon M2 into V. In the place of mole, there should be mass upon molecular mass. Here value R is the gas constant 0.0821. T temperature in Kelvin. I want a factor pi osmotic pressure. Whenever you remember our volume should be in liter. Why? I told you once again, here unit is a bar atmosphere into liter into mole inverse into Kelvin inverse. So compulsory volume in a liter, not in milliliter. Now two solutions having same osmotic pressure is called isotonic solution. Yes, sir. Isotonic solution. Whenever two solutions having same osmotic pressure, એટલે જ્યારે બે કે બે કરતા વધારે સોલ્યુશન કે જેનું osmotic pressure same હોય તો એને isotonic solution કહેવાય. Suppose 1 liter water is taken in 3 beaker. Each beaker contains 1 liter water. Here we are adding 1 mole glucose. Here 1 mole urea. Here 1 mole sucrose, cane sugar, khan. So osmotic pressure remains of all the solutions same. So these are isotonic. Why? Glucose no molecular mass is 180 gram per mole. Here 180 gram is added of glucose. Molecular mass of urea is 60. And 60 gram added. Sucrose no is 342 gram for 1 mole. Here you can see 180 gram of glucose, 60 gram of urea and 342 gram of sucrose is added into the solution. Here mass is different, but quantity, particles of dissolved solute are same. So osmotic pressure are same because molarity of all the solution is 1. So pi is equal to ICRT. Here I is 1. Glucose, urea and sucrose. Then dissociation in association. I1 રહેશે. And concentration same હોય. R તો constant છે, temperature same હોય. એટલે એનું osmotic pressure same થાય. But when we take 1 mole NaCl in 1 liter, so there is problem. Osmotic pressure is not same of these three. NaCl માં I2 થઈ જાય. So osmotic pressure is 2 pi is equal to I into C into I into D. I is E2. Concentration. I change થઈ ગયું. Concentration 1 molarity, but particles double થઈ જાય. After when we dissolve NaCl, it became 2 mole. So molarity also change. So it will be 2 RT and 2. 2 2 ja 4 થઈ જાય. So it is not the isotonic. In the isotonic solution, both solution having same osmotic pressure. So we can write pi 1 is equal to pi 2. 1 indicates for first solution, 2 for second. So pi is equal to ICRT. ICRT, C1, C2. C1, N2, mole per liter. Here concentration means mole per liter. Then mole means mass upon molecular mass. So here I, mass upon molecular mass. This formula we will use in our numericals. Remember. And whenever our solution is very mild, solution is mild, less concentrated, so in that case we can take molarity is equal to molality. Sometimes mixture of two solution given, બે સોલ્યુશનનું મિક્સચર આપેલું હોય sometimes. Yes, so total osmotic pressure will be sum of the both solutions osmotic pressure. તો બેયના osmotic pressure ના total જેટલું થાય, so I C1RT plus I C2RT. I should be one for non-electrolytes, glucose, urea once again. But for electrolyte it will be dissociation to more than one, association to less than one. So here so we can take this formula also. We will use also for the mixture. Now, હવે આપણે MCQ solve કરીએ. We are going to solve MCQ. Yes, one by one. Blood. Question number 1. Yes. Blood freezes at 244 to 72.44 Kelvin, and a solution which has 30 gram urea is dissolved in 250 gram water. Dissolved in 250 gram water. So it freezes at 272.63 Kelvin. Find out osmotic pressure of the blood at 300 Kelvin temperature. Here density of blood is 1 gram per cc. First, understood? Blood freezes at 272.44 Kelvin. A solution which has 30 gram urea is dissolved in 250 gram of water. So it freezes at 272.63 Kelvin. Find out osmotic pressure of the blood at 300 Kelvin. Here density is 1. આપણે બ્લડનું ફ્રીઝિંગ પોઈન્ટ ડિફાઇન ઓસ્મેટિક પ્રેશર ડિફાઇન કરવું છે. ફોર વોટર KF, for the water KF will be, for the water KF, so delta TF is equal to KF into M. Final water માટે KF ડિફાઇન કરો. Delta TF is equal to T degree F minus TF. 273 minus 272.63. So subtraction of it, 272, 3 minus 2, 11.30, yes, 0.37 Kelvin. So here 0.37. Molality NKF. Molality means mass of solute into 1000 upon molecular mass of solute and solvent. So Kf will be 0.37 into M2. M2 means molecular mass of the urea, the 60, solvent 250, W2 here, mass 30 gram, here 3 gram, sorry, here 3 gram is given, urea. Then 3 clear and 1000. So Kf will be Kf say 1.85. This is our Kf, derived value of the Kf. Value of Kf is now 1.85. Clear? Now so delta Tf is equal to Kf into M. So we get some molality. Delta Tf is equal to Kf into M. So molality will be delta Tf upon Kf. So here delta Tf is delta Tf is 0.37 and delta Tf is 0.56. How can we say 0.56? 273 for blood minus 277.54. So 0.56 for the blood delta Tf. So 0.56 upon Kf. Derived value of Kf is 1.85. So molality will be 0.303. 0.303 is our molality. Now for the blood osmotic pressure, pi is equal to I into CRT. Here I is 1. Concentration जो molarity, but molality is allowed for mild solution. R 0.0821 and temperature 27 degree means 300 Kelvin is given. So osmotic pressure will be to 7.46 atmosphere. Yes, sir. 7.46 atmosphere is our answer. Now second question. One by one આપણે બધી જ મેથડ જોશું. X gram non-electrolytes having molecular mass 200 gram per mole is given. X gram non-electrolytes which is dissolved into 1 liter 0.05 molarity solution of NaCl. If osmotic pressure of this solution is 4.92 atmosphere. So find out value of X. Here we have to assume NaCl completely ionizes. And our solution is ideal solution. X ગ્રામ નોન ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ એને ડિઝોલ્વ કરેલું છે 1 લિટર 0.05 મોલારિટી સોલ્યુશન ઓફ NaCl માં. તો NaCl તો છે એમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ નોન ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ્સ આવ્યું એટલે આયનાઇઝેશન નહીં થાય. તો હવે ટોટલ જે છે ઓસ્મેટિક પ્રેશર એ 4.92 છે. So dissolved mass of unknown substance is how much added we have to find. So first individually we have to define osmotic pressure of NaCl in 1 liter. Yes. So pi is equal to ICRT for NaCl. Here I is 2. Why? NaCl completely dissolves, ionizes. So maximum value we have to take 2. Concentration 0.05, R 0.0821, temperature room temperature 27,300 Kelvin. So osmotic pressure of the NaCl 2.463 atm atmosphere. This osmotic pressure is of NaCl. Now pi 2, this one is pi 1, now pi 2. ICRT. I is 1. Pi non-electrolytes. Ionization ना था 1. Concentration में पर mole upon liter. Yes. Here 1 mole means mass upon molecular mass. W2 upon M2 into V. So here W2 X gram we have to define. Molecular mass is given 200. Volume is 1 liter. So here our R 0.0821, temperature 300. So our pi 2 will be 0.1231x. 0.1231x. Understood? Now with help of it we get our answer. So here total pressure pi is equal to pi 1 plus pi 2. So total pressure pi is equal to pi 1 plus pi 2. Total pressure is given 4.92. Pi 1 for NaCl 2.463 plus 0.1231x. So 0.1231x is equal to 4.92 minus 2.463. So here 4.92 minus 2.463, like 2.457. 2.457 gives Now we are dividing by 2.457 divided by 0.1231. Yes, so it gives our answer 19.959. It means 19.96 gram is our answer. Now next question, question number glucose. Yes. Solution of the two solutions of glucose. Two solutions of glucose having osmotic pressure respectively 1.5 atm and 2.5 atm atmosphere. First solution of the glucose is 1 liter and second solution of the glucose is taken 2 liter in the mixture. So find out the total osmotic pressure. Glucose na બે solutions છે. Ready? First નું osmotic pressure 1.5 atm, second નું 2.5 છે. એમાં first નું 1 liter, second નું 2 liter mix કરીએ. So overall osmotic pressure of the mixture will be, so pi 3v, pi 1 v1 plus, yes, I am giving you for same solution. When we mix up in same condition, osmotic pressure of first one 1.5, volume is 1 liter, for the second 2.5, volume is 2. Here total volume 1 plus 2 means 3. So 1.5 plus 5, so 6.5. So pi 3 is equal to 6.5 by 3, so 2.16 atmosphere. This one very simple. 6.5 divided by 3, 3 2 ja 6, then 5, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, so 2.16 is our total osmotic pressure. Now another question, 18 gram of glucose and 6 gram of urea it dissolved in 1 liter solution. 18 gram of glucose and 6 gram of urea is dissolved in 1 liter solution. So osmotic pressure at 1 atmosphere at 27 degrees Celsius will be how much? Yes, listen. Here also mixture first component is glucose, second urea. Both mix up in 1 liter solution. So at 27 degree osmotic pressure will be. So first one by one. Osmotic pressure for the glucose. ICRT. I is 1. Why? Glucose. Ionization ना થાય, dissociation association ना થાય. 1. C. Concentration is not given. So mole upon liter. Mole is not given. So mass upon molecular mass in RT. Mass is 18 of glucose, molecular mass is 180, volume is 1 liter of the solution. R common, 0.0 constant, temperature 27, so 300 Kelvin. Now for the urea, so same, ICRT, I is 1, urea dissociation के association ना था, mole N2 upon V RT, mole upon C is molarity, mole per liter, N2 means W2 upon M2 nRT. Here mass 6 gram, molecular mass 60, volume 1 liter, 0.082 and temperature 300. So here 18 and 10. 30 into 0.082. Same. 0.082 into 30. So 2.45. 0.082 multiplied by 30. 0.082 multiplied by 30. 2.45, otherwise 2.46 comes. Clear? So now total pressure, addition of both of the glucose and of the urea. So glucose 2.45 plus 2.45. So it will be 4.90 roundabout roughly. Now next question. At 27 degrees Celsius, find out osmotic pressure of decimolar solution of the urea. At 27 degrees Celsius, find out the osmotic pressure of the urea. Yes. Here we have to define osmotic pressure of the urea. So think about what is decimolar first. What is decimolar? Deci means 10 raised to minus 1 molarity. Here urea means I is 1. Pi is equal to ICRT. Here I is 1. C. Concentration decimolar. Point decimolar means 10 raised to minus 1. 0.1 molarity. 0.1. 0.0821. Temperature 27 degree means 300 Kelvin. So osmotic pressure will be, हमने आज कराયું multiplication 1 upon 10 जाए 0.0821 into 30, So 2.45 atmosphere. This is our answer. Now next question. Three percent aqueous solution of glucose. 3% aqueous solution of glucose is isotonic with 1% solution of non-electrolyte solution of non-electrolyte. So find out molecular mass of a non-substance. Is clear? देखा છે ને બધાને? Everything is clear? Now listen. For osmotic pressure, isotonic means same osmotic pressure, pi glucose, pi unknown substance, ICRT. I is 1. C means mole upon liter. I is 1. Mole upon liter. Clear? Here temperature same, R same, N2 means W2 upon M2 into V. Mole means mass upon molecular mass. Here 3% means reference to 100, 3 gram. Molecular mass of glucose 180, 3 gram dissolves into 100 milli, reference 100. Here W2, unknown substance, 1% 1 gram in 100 milli solution. So M2 we have to define, 100 cut. So M2 should be 180 by 3. So 60 gram per mole molecular mass of our unknown substance. Now next question. At 0 degree Celsius, a solution having osmotic pressure 4 atmosphere. A solution at 0 degree temperature, osmotic pressure at 0 degree Celsius temperature, osmotic pressure is 4 atmosphere. So at same condition, osmotic pressure at 546 Kelvin, how much? Understood? How much? So listen, we know pi actually directly proportional with temperature. Concentration same છે, R constant. Here for pi 2 is equal to I CRT2 pi 1 upon pi 2 ICRT1 ICRT2 R cut C cut I cut સેમ કન્ડિશન એટલે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન સેમ આ તો કોન્સ્ટન્ટ હોય I પણ સેમ ટેમ્પરેચર ડિફરન્ટ છે હિયર 4 pi 2 ડિરાઇવ કરવું છે T1 0 degree Celsius means in Kelvin 273. T2 is 546. So pi 2 will be 273. So pi 2 will be 4 into 546 upon 273. So 4 to ja 8. So pi is 8 atmosphere. Understood? Next question. One point 117% solution of NaCl is isotonic with 7.2% solution of glucose. એટલે બેયનું ઓસ્મેટિક પ્રેશર સેમ છે સો આઇસોટોનિક સો ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ I want of factor for the NaCl NaCl માટે I find કરવાનું છે so we know osmotic isotonic means osmotic pressure of NaCl and osmotic pressure of glucose are same. Here I is equal to CRT, pi is equal to ICRT. For NaCl we have to define I. Concentration of NaCl is not given, so mole per liter. Here for glucose I is 1 fixed, mole per liter. Understood? Here RT cancel both side. Temperature same are constant. NaCl no I define કરવું છે n mole mass of NaCl upon molecular mass of NaCl. Here mass upon molecular mass. So NaCl no 1.17% એટલે 1.17 gram in 100 milli. Molecular mass of NaCl 58.5. Here mass of 7.2% એટલે 7.2 gram. Glucose molecular mass 180 in 100 milli. 100 cut. So I is equal to 7.2 58.5 upon 1.17 and 180. So value is value of I is 2. This is one top factor. NaCl no one top factor 2 derived theo. Now last two questions of the day. Last two. Molarity of solution of the NaCl is 0.002 and NaCl dissociates 90% in the solution. Dissociates 90%. The degree given. So at 27 degrees Celsius, osmotic pressure will be how much? So now here you can see આપણે શું define કર્યું છે? Osmotic pressure means pi. For getting pi, compulsory I we have to define. So I define કરવા alpha જોઈએ. But here alpha is 90%. Alpha is 90%. So alpha will be 90 by 100. So it will be 0.9. Now alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1. So alpha is 0.9. n કેટલું લેવાનું NaCl માટે? Yes, NaCl maximum how many ions gives 2? એટલે n2 લેવાનું. 2 minus 1 1. So 0.9 is equal to I minus 1. 1 plus 0.9, so I is 1.9. So here osmotic pressure will be I is 1.9. C concentration 0.002, R 0.0821, temperature 27 but in Kelvin 300, so 0.094 bar is our answer. Alpha given in percentage, alpha in percentage divided by 100, so degree, dissociation degree. Dissociation degree પરથી I define થયું. I ની વેલ્યુ અહીં મૂકવાની હતી એટલે pi મળશે. Now last question of the day. Listen, last question. At 300 Kelvin temperature, osmotic pressure of 0.1 molarity MgCl2 solution is 4.92 atmosphere. So find out dissociation percent of the solute. Percent ગોતવા છે. 49 B, 59 C, 79 and D 69. How much? Here 300 Kelvin temperature is given, osmotic pressure of solution is given. For getting percentage of solutes dissociation, so alpha define કરવું પડે ની પહેલા I. So pi is given, so I we can easily define. Pi is 4.92 atmosphere. For getting I, put down value, concentration 0.1, R 0.082, temperature is 300. So I 4.92 upon 0.1, 0.082 and 300. So value of I here 1.99. Yes, 1.99. So alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1. I is 1.99 minus 1. Here n is 3. Why? Complete dissociation gives 3 ion of one molecule of MgCl2 નો એક molecule 3 ion આપે. So here 3. 1.99 minus 1 so 0.99 divide by 2. So 0.99 divided by 2 gives 0.49 and multiply by 100 gives a percentage. So 49% is our answer. I hope you enjoyed your lecture. Now, હવે આજે જે કાંઈ ટ્રીક કે મેથડ શીખા એવા સેમ MCQ you have to solve yourself in reference book. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture with another questions. Bye. Take care.